Fruits. Watermelon.
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 Watermelon is a delicious snack to eat during the summer. Pear.
Pear. Pear.
Pears can be baked to make a tart.
Mango.
Mango. Mango. Mangoes have a big seed inside.
Grape. Grape.
Grape. Grapes are used to make wine.
Watermelon.
Pear. Mango. Grape.
Lemon. Lemon.
Lemon. You can make lemon juice from lemons.
Kiwi. Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Have you tried a frozen popsicle with kiwis?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
We should cut a watermelon into pieces before eating.
Pear.
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 Pears grow on trees. Lemon. Kiwi.
Watermelon. Pear.
Food.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza is round and cut into slices before it is eaten.
Cereal.
Cereal. Cereal.
Cereal is often served with milk.
Bread.
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 You can use bread to make sandwiches.
Egg.
Egg.
Eggs can be fried. How do you like your eggs?
Pizza.
Cereal.
Bread.
Egg.
Food.
Rice.
Rice.
This stir-fried meal with brown rice looks delicious.
Cookie.
Cookie. The cookie dough flattens out as the cookies are baking. Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza is being served for dinner.
Cereal. Cereal.
Cereal.
Do you like cereal for breakfast? What else do you eat for breakfast?
Rice.
Cookie.
Pizza.
Cereal.
Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for everyday's new video.